Here's how to remove this side trim on the A pillar. So first you try to grab it here up on the corner, the upper can, and just pull on it. It's secured by two types of clips. The first clips will just release when you pull it, but don't pull it away, just try to snap it loose. But there is a second clip which will keep it retained there, so you don't want to break that one. That's very important. Is related to the when the airbag will inflate, that will keep this trim in place so it doesn't flow into your face in an accident. So you just want to release first the regular clips, just like that, no more than that. Don't pull it away again, and then you just pose it a little bit. I'm at the upper side of it, and then you realize this is the securing clip that will keep the trim from flying away in a crash when the airbag deploys. And it's secured on both sides, but I will just release it from there. Actually, it's very easy. It has like two grooves on the lower portion, and you just need to twist this thing 90 degrees. So I will go counterclockwise. Really twist it 90 degrees. The space is a bit tight. It's not exactly easy there. So actually you don't want to break this clip. That's critical. Again, I repeat, this is critical. You don't want to break it. Here's how it goes. So the thing is in there like this with these tabs. There's a tab in there and there's a tab in there. And if you look on the metal frame, the tabs originally are up and low. This is why you twist it to bring the tabs onto near the grooves at 90 degrees, and then you'll just remove it from there. If you happen to break it, by all means go to the Volvo dealer and replace this thing. Again, it's critical for your safety. I think it's just pressed in there, so you just maybe use a screwdriver, remove it, even though it breaks, and get a new one and press it back in place. And if you just happen to be into the Volvo S60 V50, for Volvo S40 V50, the smaller Volvo, you see they have a different system. You can slide this off the trim, or you can just depress one of the two tabs on the side, at least one, and just slide it, like pull it like sideways like this. This is the smaller Volvo, not the one I'm talking about. This is an XC70, S60 will be the same, V70 will be the same, 2001, 2009. So again, it's kind of annoying to turn 90 degrees like this, because there's another plastic retaining, but you should not in any case cut this. If you happen to snap one of these attached, you just have to absolutely replace the clip. So it needs to go like this, about 90 degrees. Same goes for the other side. These are the clips you'll need to engage when you put them back in place. There's a couple of them. I think 3 of them looks like. Yeah, this is like a slider, but this is a clip and this is a clip. And this is how it looks. That's the thing. There's a clip there, and it's inserted into a groove right there.